Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Alliz Creative Designs, where the world of creativity is activated. Today we'll be learning how to start crocheting. However, before I continue, if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Big up to my Jamaican peeps in the house, and big up to each and everyone tuning in at this time. So let's get right to it. So today I'll be using the acrylic metallic fine wool, and on the label it will show you the size needle that you're supposed to use with this thread. For this thread specifically, it's 1 to 3 millimeters needle in size. However, today I'll be using a 2.5 millimeter needle. It's an ergonomic needle, and as such it provides great comfort for your fingers. When crocheting, you may notice the flat part on both sides to place your thumb and index fingers. So you may practice placing your thumb and index finger that distance apart, and then try to hold the needle within your thumb and index finger along the flat sides of the needle. You then place your middle finger along the top part of the needle, placing the hook in the opposite direction. Notice also the other fingers and where they are positioned. So you may pause the video and practice holding the needle in this position. Try also turning your wrist to see how you can maneuver. So we are going to start by positioning our thread. As we can see in the video, our thumb and middle finger will hold the thread in place. There will be a loop that will be created over the index finger. So as you can see, the thumb and middle finger holds the thread in place with a loop created over the index finger. The crochet needle is then placed within the loop above the index finger, and we will turn 360 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so we are going to try that again. So you place the needle within the loop above the index finger, hold the thread in place with your thumb and middle finger, and you go 360 degrees anti-clockwise. Then you're going to place the needle beneath the thread, wrap and pull through the loop that was created. Okay, so you pull through the loop and then you use your thumb to tighten the string, but we're gonna try that again. So we place the needle in the loop above the index finger, turn 360 degrees, we wrap the thread over the needle and pull through the hoop using the hook. Very good. And then we are going to tighten the string using the thumb, and then we wrap and pull through, and this is known as the chain stitch. So we're actually making chains, which would be the basis for your crochet patterns. So you wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through, and you will continue this for as long as you so desire until you're comfortable. But this is basically the tutorial for today, to actually make chain stitches. So you may continue to practice. Very good. You may make as many chain stitches as you so desire. And this is what it looks like. Very good. Congratulations, you have completed your first tutorial. We have come to the end of the video, and I want to say congratulations on completing your first tutorial. Just keep practicing. In our next video, we will continue to make additional stitches. And so I want to say bless up yourself, people. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.